Hello there, welcome back to our YouTube channel CADCAMSTER. Today we are going to design this simple part, which is a medium level of part in Solidworks 2018, and I'm going to use hole wizard to create these cosmetic thread holes, and I'm going to use these drawings in order to create these holes. And if you want this 2D drawing, I have provided the link in the description box. And if you need more 2D drawings like this, you can visit our website. It is mentioned in the description box. So before getting started, if you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel, subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. So first phase will be the drawing reading phase. So let's go through the drawing. This is the top view of our part, and this is a section view along this axis AA. Now let's talk about the approach. I will start design this part from bottom. First I will create this 46 mm dia hole or circular plate. Then I will extrude it up to a distance of 4 mm. After that I will create this 53 mm circle and I will extrude it up to a distance of 14 minus 4. Then I will create 44 mm and I will extrude it up to a distance of 3 mm. Then after that I will create this contour, which you can see here. One thing, make sure you don't use rectangle command because it will create some issues to create this plate, and its thickness is 8 mm. So let's get started. Let me exit this. Go to file, select here new, select here part and OK. Now select here plane white, go to sketch, select front plane, click here normal to and sketch. Now select here circle command. First I will create 46 mm circle up to 4 mm. Select the center point, enter the value of 46 mm like this. Go to feature, select extrude boss base, enter the value of 4 mm, click here OK. Now select this face, normal to and sketch. Select circle command. This time I will create this 53 mm circle of 10 mm thickness. Enter the value of 53 mm. Go to feature, select extrude boss base, enter the value of 10 mm. Click here OK. Now select this face again, normal to and sketch. Now circle command. I will create 44 mm circle, 44 mm dia circle up to a thickness of 17 minus 14, which is 3 mm. Select the center point, enter the value of 44 mm. Now select extrude boss base, enter the value of 3 mm. Click here OK. Now select this face, normal to and sketch. Now I will create this profile. For that, select here center line, create a vertically upward center line. Now select here line command and create vertical line, horizontal line, again vertical line. Now these two angular lines. Sorry, let me merge them like this. Now I will assign some constraints and some dimensions. For that, select this line, control select this line and this line. Make them symmetry. Now control select these three lines and make them symmetry. Now go to smart dimension, select this line and this line, angle will be 90 degree like this. Now go to fillet. Here you can see there is a fillet of radius 4 mm at all three corners. Select, enter the value of 4 mm. Select this corner and this corner. Now you can see from the center to center it is 46 mm. Smart dimension, select this center and this center. this distance will be 46 mm, and from this center to this center of this circle it is 55 mm. Go to smart dimension, select this center of this fillet and center of this fillet. This will be 55 mm. Now you can see from center to top it is 32 mm. Select this center, select this top. This distance is 32 mm, like this. Now I will extrude it up to a distance of 8 mm. I am not creating these 3 holes because these are M4 holes, and I am going to use hole wizard to create these through holes because they have cosmetic threads. So select a feature, select here extrude, and enter the value of 8 mm. Thickness is here given 8 mm. Now I'm going to create this boss. I will create a rectangle of dimensions. You can see here the dimension of this arc is 18 mm. Means from here to here this dimension will be the dia of this arc, which is 36 mm. So from here to here it is 36 mm, and from the center point to top it is 17 mm. But from center to this point, end of this where the arc ends, it is 18 mm. So the dimensions will be 36 mm and 35 mm, which is 17 plus 18. So select this face, normal to, and sketch. Select here center rectangle, create a rectangle like this. Go to smart dimension. This distance will be 36 mm, like this, and this one will be 35 mm. Now we will extrude it. For extrusion height, see here, extrusion height will be 45 minus this 17 minus this 8 mm. Go to feature, select here extrude boss base. Distance will be 45 minus 17 minus 8, 20 mm. Click here OK. Now I'm going to create this fillet, 3 fillets, 2 of radius 4 mm and this one full round fillet of radius 18 mm. So select here fillet, select here first edge fillet and enter the value of 4 mm. Select these corners, click here OK. Now again select here fillet, select full round fillet, select this face, select this face and select this face like this. Now I'm going to create this cylinder. You can see these cylinders. There are 3 cylinders and I will not create all 3 of them individually. I will create this one, and then you can see this cylinder here. Let me show you properly. This angle is 90 degree and it is 45 degree from here to here. So this angle will be 45 degree. So we can say that from this center line axis to this center line axis, this whole angle will be 135 degree, which is 90 plus 45. So I will create, if I create this cylinder and use circular pattern at an angle of 135 degree, then I will get this profile. And after I get this profile, and I will use mirror command to mirror about this axis to create this one. Same I will do to create these inner holes. So let me undo it. Now the dimensions of this circle is 24 mm dia and up to this boss surface. But I will not use up to surface command because it will create some issues regarding when you will use circular pattern. So select this face, normal to, again normal to. Now you can see we can't get the face we want to work on. So all you have to do, press the shift key and use left and right arrow keys like I am doing. First left side key, again left side key, like this. Now select this face and sketch. Now select circle command, create a circle like this of dia 24 mm. Now add some constraints, select the center point, control select this origin, make them vertical. Now you can see from this figure, this section view, the top surface of the cylinder and the top surface of this boss is 2 mm apart. Means the cylindrical surface is 2 mm below this top surface of this boss here, this 2 mm. So go to smart dimension, select, let me drag like this. Go to smart dimension, select this edge and press the shift key and move your cursor here or place your hover or your cursor to the circumference of this. You can see. Now release the shift key like this and enter the value of 2 mm. Now you can see it is fully defined. Now go to features, select here extrude boss base and direction will be opposite like this. I'm not using up to surface command because it will create some issue. So I'm not using here up to surface command. I will make sure that it just passes through this surface. Click here OK like this. Now I'm going to use legacy hole to create this hole in this boss at the center. You can see. So go to hole wizard, select here legacy hole and select here counter board like this. Now I will add some dimensions. You can see that diameter will be here 12 mm. It is entered because I have used recently in my last drawing, and depth will be total depth here 45 mm from this top to bottom, and C-bore dia will be the dia of this counter bore portion which is 16 mm, and C-bore depth will be from here to here, it is 7 mm like this. Now positions, select this face and snap this. So let me normal to, its position will be center of this face like this. You can see the preview. Click here OK. Now we have created this hole. Now I will add this chamfer at the top part. So go to here, chamfer, and dimension will be 1 into 45. Make sure you check here angle distance fill chamfer. Select this circular portion. Click here OK. Now I will add here, select this face, normal to, again normal to. Now hold down shift key and move left key arrow key 2 times. Now select here hole wizard. Now I will create this hole, advanced hole, which is of M12 in this cylinder. Thread is up to a distance of 12 mm. You can see here. Now select here straight tab. Select here asymmetric and tabbed hole. Select here tabbed hole. Now here it is M12. So select here M12 1.25. 1.25 is the pitch and 12 is the dia. Now it is asking for the end conditions. End conditions, you can say it is 32 mm, or you can see up to this hole. and here thread will be this one, tab depth. Make sure you check here 2 times dia and enter the value of here. From here center to this side up to this, it is 32 mm. So enter the value of here and condition 32 mm. Now select here positions, 3D sketch and snap its center like this. You can see it is showing the preview. Now click here OK. Now you can see it is not showing the cosmetic thread. For that, go to here options, select document properties and select here detailing and check here shaded cosmetic threads. Now you can see it is showing the thread like this. Now I will use circular pattern to create these 3 remaining parts. For that, select here circular pattern. Now angle will be 135 degree and entities will be 2. And select your directions. Direction will be this. Select the surface, cylindrical surface, and features. I want this extrude and this hole which I have just created like this. Now click here OK. Now you can see we have created this hole. Now I will use this plane. This will be the proper plane to create the mirror of this cylinder, because we want to create the third cylinder. Select here mirror. Now select this one and this hole like this. You can see now it's time to create these M4 holes on this boss. You can see here these are 3 holes up, and thread distance is, or thread height is 6 mm and M4 hole. So select this face, normal to, and go to hole wizard and select these straight tab. Again select here unsymmetric, select here tab tool and select here 4 into 0.7 mm. Now end conditions will be to 10 mm. So enter here 10 mm, and thread will be this same blind 2 into dia and up to distance. Now it is asking for the thread height, which is shown here 6 mm. So enter the value of 6 mm. Now it is asking for the positions. Select here position, select here 3D sketch. So we have here 3 holes at the center of these 3 fillets. Select this center point, select this center point. Now I have to dimension this one. So go to smart dimension, select this point and delete this one. I will add this later because it will require some dimensions. First create these 2 and click here OK. Now select this face, sketch and sketch a point like this. Now normal to, now select this point and this point, make them vertical and distance will be 14 mm from this drawing here, like this. Now exit this sketch. Now select your hole wizard. Now select here straight tap. All these remaining will be same. Now go to position, select a 3D sketch and snap this point and click here OK. You can see. Now let me hide this point. Now what's remaining? Yeah, I forgot to create these 3 holes. Now I will create these 3 holes. These are the simple holes. Through all, select this face, normal to, and sketch. You can use, let me try this hole wizard. It will save my time. Go to here, hole, and these are M4 holes. Select your hole wizard, select here asymmetric and tab drills. Uncheck this near side countersunk. Select here drill sizes and select here 4 dia. This one. And thickness will be, or height will be 8 mm, or you can select through wall, because here thickness is 8 mm. Uncheck here near side countersink, select your position, select your 3D sketch. Now I will snap the center of these fillets like this one, second one, and this one. Now click here OK, like this. You can see we have created these 3 holes too. Now what's remaining? Yeah, now we will add some fillets. These fillets are of radius 1.8 mm here. So select here fillet, select here constant size fillet and enter the value of 1.8 mm. Now select this circular edge, this edge, and this one. Now select this one. Same here, select this one, select this one, and this one. Click here OK. Now if you want to check, you can also check the design using this wireframe view. Like this. Now let me go to the top view. You can see if you want to verify by the section view, you can also verify it. Select this right plane, select this section view. Now you can see by the section view. You can see here you will get the same profile which is here. By mistake I have entered, looks like I have entered the mode distance of this thread height, which is here 12 mm. So I will edit this. Let me edit this. Edit here. This will be 12 mm thread height. Now you can see with the right plane, select here section. Now you can see it is perfect 12 mm. Now in this way you can create this advanced level of part with the help of some basic commands and some features, holes wizards. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that we make more videos to help you. Thank you.